everyone! This video will show the disassembly of the flight controller, mini OSD, and frame. Let's look at the 3 sets of lines on the flight controller. So this set is connected to the galvanometer. This group is followed by the mini OSD. This set of wires is on an adapter board. This adapter board, the output, PWM power for ESC. Let's cut out these 3 sets of lines first. This is the wire of the galvanic machine. Good. This set is mini OSD. This set is the PWM signal that is output to the adapter board. Good. We can pull along this shock ball together. Be careful when pulling out good. This one, if it's normal, it's in a state of disassembly. We had glue in between. Next, let's take a look at the galvanometer. When I disassemble a galvanometer, we need to turn the button on good. The motor will be dismantled. It is also possible to replace the motor with better performance in the future. It is from these places that it is ready to be dismantled. Then plug this end into the flight controller and you're good to go. Good. Now take out the mini OSD, adapter board, and voltage divider. Before dismantling, let's mark these headers first, so that we can't find the order in the follow-up. Of course, when I ship it to you, we'll all install it. It is plugged in the position of the pin header on the top layer of the adapter board. Demolished. The adapter board is just to fit it. Okay, let's tear down the mini OSD. Let's take a look at its routing first. Let's take a look at the section of its routing first. This line, it's connected here. We see the thread clearly. This thread needs to be scalded off. Okay, now this one is unplugged. It is plugged underneath. The black. Underneath is on top. The white color is down there. Don't make a mistake when installing. It's the same when you pull it out here. Good. Remember it. The black one is in the front. The black one is in the front. It has 6 corners on this side. This side is also 6 corners. Just plug it in and you're ready to go. Well, this is our OSD. That's next. We're going to tear this distributor board apart, remove the thread first. What about these lines? We won't unload this. We're going to remove the power supply now. These wires are connected to the motor. They're positive and negative poles. Actually, it's the same. I'm going to show you how. So we can unload it directly. These 2 are connected to the model airplane battery. At the time of our installation, this tin must be added enough of it, because it has a relatively large current. Now let's move on to dismantling. We've removed all the wires, and then, now for the dismantling arm, use a suitable screwdriver. This is the back of the drone, and then this one is the divider plate. Equally, cut the screws off because of its back. It is not very convenient when unloading. If you want to unload, you can clamp this with pliers. Insert this on the back, let's put them aside. Because of these 6 arms, an adapter is connected together. So they're connected now. Then use this screwdriver. This is the screw of the distribution board. Now remove the tripod. This tripod can be replaced. And then this one is the panel. Then the rack is dismantled. Then start dismantling the arm. The arm is attached to the female row. Pull the thread out first. Just pick it out with a sharp object. For example, tweezers will do. Now let's remove one of the pulp blades first. Then remove the 6 arms in turn. Unscrew these screws. Clamp with pliers next. Okay, all 4 screws are removed. The ESC and motor have all been welded. The ESC cable tie can be cut off. The ESC was dismantled. And then it's our rack and the arm. And then what about this motor was immobilized? Just tear it down, it's done. That's the motor. This carbon plate. It's all up to the rack. Good, continue to dismantle. And then this one is the ESC. Go ahead and remove the spring assembly. This is the spring assembly. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.